Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you encounter this app can't run on your PC error, then watch this video for the solution. Now the first solution is to disable your antivirus, and this works 95% of the time. Your antivirus must be blocking the app. So you will go to virus and threat protection, and this normally doesn't occur with the Windows pre-installed virus and threat protection. It is usually a third-party antivirus that causes this issue. So you need to disable it by going to the settings tab on whatever app that you're using, third-party app, and switching off the protection. And then once again, let me remind you a word of caution. Once you're done opening the app and using it, please and make sure that you enable the protection again, because if you run your system without enabling the malware and virus protection, it might cause viruses and malware to enter your system and cause you lots of trouble. Now the second thing we need to check if the app you're trying to run is a 32-bit app or a 62-bit app. So when we downloaded the software from the website, we should have seen if it was a 32-bit installer or a 64-bit installer app. So for that we need to see our system information. So here we'll see the system type is x64. So I need to download an x64 installer and app, and if it's x86 for your PC, then you need to download a 32-bit installer and 32-bit app. So you need to check when you install. So you can maybe you can download the installer again from the website by now confirming whether it's a 32-bit or a 64-bit, and then the app should start working. Now if it doesn't, then you need to update Windows and the app itself. So right click on the start button, go to settings, and then you will click on Windows Update, click on check for updates, and then you will also go to the Microsoft Store. If your app is downloaded from the Microsoft Store or is available on the Microsoft Store, go to library, right? And then as soon as the app appears, you can click on update. Just click on update and it will start updating. So whichever app it is that you're trying to run and getting the error message for, look for it in the search button and then click on update. All right. Now the next thing we can do is run the malware scan. So if there is an issue with this app not working, it could probably be because some malware or virus has affected your system and is causing this app not to run. So we'll do that by running the virus and threat protection, and we'll go to scan options. So if you're running a third party app like Kaspersky, Norton or AVG, then you'll get open app here. You need to open the app and run the scan. I'm using the pre-installed Windows virus and threat protection, so I will go for full scan and I will click on scan now and wait for the scan to finish. And the last thing I can do is disable the startup programs. So basically when the startup programs start along with the computer, they might cause the conflict with the app that you're trying to run. So go to startup apps on the task manager button and then look at the status here and click on enable, check for all the enabled ones. Once you click on status, it will group them by enabled or disabled, and try to disable as many apps as you can, because all these apps are not required at startup. You can just right click on it and just disable them, and then you need to restart your computer by clicking on the start button and the power button and restart, and then you try opening the app. It should definitely open. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.